Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my first fall look and I'm going to be using this Warm Brown Obsessions palette by Huda Beauty. I'm going to be starting off using this light brown shade and I am applying that with a Morphe M139 and I'm just applying that all over my crease in a sort of circular shape. I'm going to be doing a halo look today, so I want everything to look super round and super blended out with this shade. And then next I'm going to be going in with a slightly darker shade and I'm going to be applying that using a Morphe E36 and then going back and forth and blending that out with a Morphe M411, and you'll see I'm just starting to apply that on either side of my lid and then blending that around my crease just to create that halo look as I mentioned earlier. And then I didn't feel like this shade was dark enough, so you'll see I went in with an even darker brown just to achieve that depth that I'm looking for. And I'm just going to keep going back and forth between those two brushes, just creating the darkness that I'm looking for and making sure everything is super blended out. And for the center of my lid, I'm going to be using that gold shade right in the middle of that palette, and I'm going to be applying that using a flat shader brush from Alamar Cosmetics. And I'm just applying that right in the center of my lid and then sort of blending it out and fading into those brown shades. And then I'm also going to be dipping into my Dose of Colors Friendcation palette. I'm going to be applying the shade Just a Kiss, which is just a sheer sparkly shade. I'm just going to be laying that right on top of that gold that I had previously laid down, and then again feathering that out into the brown shades just to make sure everything is blended. And next I'm going to just quickly go through the rest of my face. I'm applying my concealer and just blending that out with my beauty blender, and then I'm going to be setting my concealer and my foundation, and then as always I'm going to be contouring and applying my bronzer. Nothing new here, so I'm just going to skip through that pretty quickly and then we'll get to the rest of the eyes. For the bottom lash line, I want to sort of mimic what I have going on the top, and I want to put that onto the bottom. So I'm going to apply the darkest brown with a straight flat brush from Alamar Cosmetics, and I'm going to be applying that right on my lash line on the outer and inner parts of the eye, skipping the middle, and then I'm going to be blending that out with a Luxie mini tapered brush. And I'm going to be using that first brown shade that I had originally used in the crease, and then again like I did on top, I'm going to be applying that gold shade right in the middle just so that everything looks cohesive and matches well. And for highlighter today, I am going to be using this Pure palette. It is called the Bronze and Brighten palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Afterglow. I'm just going to be applying that highlighter all over my face as I usually do. I'm skipping blush today. And then I'm also going to be applying that highlighter into my inner corner of my eyes. And for lashes today, I am of course using my Maybelline Great Lash Mascara, and I'm going to be applying these lashes from Unscripted. These are their Level Up lashes. They are pretty dramatic, and as you can see, they just take this look to a whole nother level, no pun intended. But you'll see once I get them on just how much this look just looks so much better with the lashes. for lips, I'm going to be using this Devoted to Chili lipstick from MAC. This is one of their Powder Kiss lipsticks. It is so comfortable. I highly recommend you trying out one of these lipsticks. But I love this color. It's sort of a dark, almost brick-like red, and I just think it goes so well with the gold eyeshadow. And that completes this look, you guys. I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share this video with anyone you can think of. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought. And I think that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.